Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Taurus. Stock number is A7923A. Starting right away up front, before we take a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Taking a look inside now at the cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. No rips or stains on any of the seats here. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera here on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now, you have your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls all mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.